how to delete Insta account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete Insta account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to delete your Instagram account, open up the Insta application here and log into the account you want to delete. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, then go to this option here that says account center. Now once you go to account center, from here under account settings, look for personal details. Under personal details, you'll find account ownership and control and tap on it. Under account ownership and control, you'll find deactivation or deletion, tap on it. Under that, you'll select your Meta account, which in this case is our Instagram account. Now once we do that, by default it will be chosen to deactivate. But if you would like to delete it, tap on delete account, then tap on continue. Then select your reason as to why you want to delete it, then tap on continue. After that, just tap on the continue option and just ignore all of this, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then delete your Instagram account. The final step would be for you to confirm your password and tap on continue. This way you can delete Insta account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.